Hi, I'm Virgil Honeycutt here with the Nature Channel, and we're going on an adventure to see if we can find a banana. We are here in the rainforests of Connecticut, hoping that we can locate one. Bananas are known for their high amounts of potassium and the fact that they have lots of carbohydrates, making them a perfect snack. I think we've spotted one. This is known as a Cabana banana. We have to be very quiet in hopes of not startling it, for they can reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour when falling from high places. We've been searching for hours and we still can't get it in close contact with the banana. The one we saw earlier, we believe it ran into this dense brush. Let's hope we can find it. Holy Queen Elizabeth II! We've got it! This is an elderly banana. I believe it's been alive for about 3 weeks. You can tell by the browning patterns in the lower abdomen. She's a beauty. Now we're gonna let her go. Holding a banana for more than 30 seconds can cause it to be in danger of its life. Beautiful. Let's hope we find another. Since it's now very rainy, banana hunting becomes very dangerous. We wouldn't want anybody to get injured in this very brutal sport. This has been Virgil Honeycutt from the Nature Channel. See you next time.
Action.
We've been searching for almost 3 hours and we've lost sight of all bananas. The other one we found, we believe it ran away off into this dense brush. We've been searching for it for hours. Oh shoot, that was repetitive. This is possibly the most disgusting banana. It's tearing right there. Look at this. It looks like a cut. It's disgusting. It's one dead banana. Oh, that doesn't have a bag. Neither does that. There we go. That was a nice noise.
Bananas.